started having these weird memory issues in early January 2026, right? Actually, a few weeks ago. I just got back from holidays, and I got to admit, my prayer life wasn't as consistent over the holidays. And so when I got back, God led me into this time of fasting and prayer. And so as I began this journey, my memory miraculously returned back, right? That sharpness was back. And I said to God, God, what was that? And the Holy Spirit reminded me that one of the things that happens during fasting and prayer, amongst other things, is that your flesh begins to take a back seat, right? And so this is why in John 6:63, Jesus says that his spirit gives life. And it's incredible what happens, right, when you fast, because you get to this supernatural place in God where his spirit now also begins to feed your flesh or your soul, where your memories are stored, right? Your spirit man becomes so charged up that it overflows into your flesh. And so sometimes God might lead you into a time of prayer and fasting, not because you need to hear something specific from God, or not because you need deliverance from the demonic, but because you need deliverance from yourself.